Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In one of my videos I talk about how you can formulate your catfish step-by-step guide. Today is another part 2 about that video that I showed there. So today is the part 2. Although today's formula will be a little bit different from what we did the other day. So today's formula will be a little bit different because today we are producing 3mm, not 6mm. The other day was 6mm, but today was 3mm. So at the end of this video, if you stay at the end of this video, I'm going to watch how we combine the feed together, how we ground the feed, then after grounding, how we start pelletizing the feed, and even when we take the feed to where we'll sun dry it, we put it on sun, we spread it on sun, and the feed will dry. You will watch everything at the end of this video. This time around I'll be giving you practical ways. Yes, I'll be preparing practical ways in which you can go about formulating your fish feed. So you will learn it step by step, guys. So you will be way ahead of the others. So you need to learn it yourself so you'll be good. At my back here, we see we have many maize. As in, we have bag of maize here. They are much more than this, but we have used a lot of them because we produce the fish feed every day. Not only fish feed, we produce chicken feed, we produce animal feed. So generally livestock rather. So if you start learning how to formulate your fish feed, it will be very, very okay for you because one, it will reduce the amount of money that you spend in the feed. Secondly, you will know the best formula for your fish. Then thirdly, if you plant the particular items in your farm and you go into maize farming, it will be very easy for you also because it will reduce the amount of money that you spend also because you have the material, you have the formula. So then what else do you need to know about the feed formulation? Again, that means you have learned a lot about this fish formulation. So I'm here to guide you. If you have any questions, please do well to contact me. I'll drop my number, and at the end of this video I'm going to drop my contact list. Do well to contact me and let us discuss on how you can formulate your chicken feed, your fish feed, and even to pigs also. So whichever one you want to go into it, please do well to contact me and I will talk about it. So I just want to discuss with you guys so you see what we have been doing so far. But today, like I said, is 3mm, not 6mm. Today we are producing 3mm. You're going to see it yourself, the stuff, everything, how we ground it, how we combine it, how we mix it together. You actually love it if only you can stay to the end of this video and watch this video to the end. And like I said, I've been saying in some of my videos that I'll be dropping an ebook concerning formulating your livestock generally. So I'm going to be discussing how you can formulate their feed one after the other, starting from fish down to snail. So starting from fish down to snail, that means snail, fish, pig, goat, even dog to it also. So I'll be dropping that ebook very soon. I'm preparing it, I'll be dropping it. So if you want it, you just go there and buy it, and I'll just give you guys for a little price. So I won't be giving you guys much price about the book, but I just want to make sure that you guys are good in this area. So that was the reason why I decided to learn this. Like I said, I've been working with this company for 6 months, 7 months now. I'm even to my 8th month right now. So I've learned a lot on how to formulate your fish feed. So if you like it or if you want it, you can contact me. But if you want us to produce the feed for you, we'll be glad and we'll make sure that we'll give you the best feed that you want. So please stay to the end of this video and see how we formulate all the feed and combine it together. You will love it. So if you want the list of the feed formulation, or you want the items, or you want the amount of the items that's combined together, please do well to contact me. But mind you, it's not for free. Yes, it's not for free. So please, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to Adota Farm and do a turn on the notification bell to get notified when we drop a new video for you. If you click the notification bell, whenever we drop video like this, you will be the first person that will be notified. Your phone will just ring. That means we have dropped a new video for you like that. Please do well to like this video and please share with people that you know that they have interest in agri. Bye for now.